David Dilling on behalf of Marksware here, and today we're going to show you how to use QXP marks with AppleScript. For that matter, this can apply for all of the marks line, like ID marks for InDesign files and PDF marks for PDF files, how to automate them even further with AppleScript in your workflow. QXP marks for previewing and converting QuarkXPress files is very handy to have, particularly for people with legacy Quark files. Some might have thousands, tens of thousands of old Quark.qxp or even .qxd files. Out of the box, QXP marks comes with a host of advanced preferences which you find under the QXP marks menu item and the preferences. For instance, you can automatically open IDML in specific versions of InDesign. Under the automation section is where it really gets interesting. There you can do many things without even using AppleScript. For instance, automatically on open, export an IDML file of the Quark file, or automatically export a PDF. You can go further by suppressing dialogues, changing the location of where you want the file saved out to, and automatically closing windows when possible. So I'm going to hand it off to Eddie, one of our engineers at Marksware, and he's going to show you an example of using QXP marks with AppleScript.
All right, here's a quick example of using QXP marks, or really any of the marks products from AppleScript. In this example, I'm going to be opening up this test file here, and then converting it with QXP marks. And then after the IDML will be opened in Adobe InDesign 2021. Go ahead, I'm just going to hit run here. See, it launched QXP marks. Conversion happened. Now it's opening up Adobe InDesign. And it should open the IDML shortly. And there it is. That all happened pretty quickly. I can show you again. Go ahead and close this. InDesign's open, nothing open. Here in the AppleScript, I'm going to hit run again. Pretty quickly there, you saw QXP mark do the conversion, and then the IDML opened here again.
All right, hope you enjoyed this information. Hope it was useful for you on how to automate QXP marks with AppleScript and with the built-in automations even. By the way, I should also mention you can also just select multiple files and open them all at once in QXP marks. Pretty handy as well for someone who just needs to do a few Quark to InDesign conversions and might want to preview them first. So if you want to go buy Marksware's QXP marks today, cruising over to marksware.com/products/QXP marks. Check out some of the reviews where you can buy right away. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact us on sales@marksware.com. And David Dilling on behalf of Marksware, wishing you a fantastic day.
If you need a good conversion, everything will be fine. It's about